How to get second highest value in a Pandas column for a certain ID. So I think this question can be visualized the best as following given a data frame. So what I want to get is, I want to get the ID that has the second highest value for val_1 and highest value for true_val, which is always the one with 1.0, and then return both corresponding IDs for every label. Anyone have an idea how to do this? I tried. Result_at_1 equals result.set_index, id.groupb, label.idsmax. This works for giving me the highest value for both, but I only want the highest value for the true label while getting the second/third etc. highest value for the val_1 variable. Someone linked this as answer. Pandas, get in largest values and insert nan values if there are no elements. However, if using that approach I need to group by label. So in that case the output would then become. Anyone knows how to this?
You can use GroupB with a custom apply function to achieve your desired result. Since I wasn't sure based on your question whether you were interested in getting the second largest ID at val_1 or in getting the first, second, and third highest ID at val_1 in one go, I put in both methods. Changing up to equals true will perform the latter, while up to equals false will perform the former and solely get you the first, second, or third highest ID at val_1.
You can break it into stages. After trying out a few methods, namely, sorting plus ranking plus melting, pivoting, GroupB with custom functions, I've come to the conclusion that an expanded GroupB is your best solution. Best used for specialized cases like this one.